Hi, I'm Chris Hudig, the Technical Sales Manager for the KARNAK Corporation. I'm up here on this black EPDM roof because we're going to coat it today. We're going to change this black surface you see here to a highly reflective white. That white surface is going to do two things. One, it's going to lower the roof surface temperature of the roof. That reduces the thermal shock of the roof. That's going to help the roof last longer. The second thing is, coating it white is going to lessen the amount of heat transferring into the home or building. If you're air conditioning the space below, this is going to reduce your peak cooling demand. Bottom line, it's going to save you energy costs. We're going to make sure this roof is clean before our coatings go down. The cleaner the roof is, the longer the coatings are going to last for you. Before working on any roof, always make sure you got the proper safety equipment. Gloves and safety glasses are imperative to have on any project. To apply the 507, you're going to need a Hudson type sprayer, a stiff broom or brush to loosen dirt, as well as a hose with a nozzle or a pressure washer if you have one. Before applying this product, we want to take our broom and just remove any leaves or dirt or debris we may see onto the roof. The 507 SPC primer wash that I have right here is ready to use right out of the can. We'll pop the lid, no need to stir or mix, and we'll pour it right into our Hudson type sprayer. After that's done, we'll take our Hudson sprayer, we'll spray the product down onto the roof completely. After 10 to 15 minutes of letting that kind of sit and soak in, we'll then take our hose and nozzle or pressure washer and clean the roof with clean water. Once the roof is completely dry, we'll be ready to put our coatings down. Hi, I'm Chris Hudig, the Technical Sales Manager for the KARNAK Corporation. I'm here today on this EPDM roof that we've previously cleaned with 507 SPC primer wash. Everything's been cleaned and the roof is dry now. Upon inspection of the roof, I actually noticed the previous repair made is actually opening up. So I'm going to take my 550 patch and go tape and seal that up first. Remember, you want to stop your leaks first before putting roof coatings on. I'll do that now, and then I will apply the coatings. Now the surface is black to match the roof, even though that really doesn't matter because my coatings are going to adhere over top of this. Everything will be white once we're completed. I'm going to start in the edge of the repair and work my way and seal the perimeter of the previous repair. There, now everything is tight, waterproof, and sealed. While this wasn't a leak at this time, this was a good opportunity to perform some preventive maintenance. I saw the crack there and repaired it with the 550 patch and go tape. Now it's time to coat. Hi, I'm Chris Hudig, the Technical Sales Manager for the KARNAK Corporation. I'm here today on this black EPDM roof to show you how to apply a highly white reflective acrylic roof coating. To do that, we have a specialty base coat that needs to go down first. This base coat, 407 EPDM and SPF base coat, is specially designed to adhere to properly prepared EPDM roofing. The tools we'll need today to apply the 407 EPDM and SPF base coat will be a stick to stir the material before application, a 4-inch brush to cut in around the perimeter and any curbs or penetrations, and a 1/2-inch nap roller to apply the coating in the field of the roof. To apply the 407 EPDM and SPF base coat, we'll need to mix the product first. You can do that with a stick or an electric mixer. Remember, if you're going to use an electric mixer, mix the product lightly so you don't introduce too much air into the product itself. We're going to begin our application by taking a 4-inch brush and cutting around the perimeter of the roof itself. We'll also want to cut in around any skylights or penetrations in the roof. Once that's done, then we can do the field application. We'll take our product and apply it to the roof using a 1/2-inch nap roller. Now remember, the coverage rate for this product is 1.5 gallons per 100 square feet. Apply the 407 in one direction when you're rolling. When that dries, we'll put our finish coat perpendicular to the base coat. 407 EPDM and SPF base coat has special acrylic polymers that attach itself to the EPDM to create great adhesion. The 501 white acrylic coating or any of our other white acrylic coatings can then go over top to finish the project. Now that we've applied the 407 EPDM and SPF base coat and allowed it to cure 24 hours, we're ready to put our top coating of 501 Elasto-Brite white. 501 is a highly reflective white roof coating. This coating is ENERGY STAR certified and rated by the Cool Roof Rating Council. This is an excellent product to finish the coating system to help extend the life of this roof as well as cool down the roof surface temperature. If we're able to cool the roof surface temperature, that means there's less heat transfer into the building. That's where we're going to save money on our air conditioning costs. 501 is an acrylic elastomeric. That means it can expand and contract with the roof surface. This roof coating is able to last and reflect the sun's rays. It's a water-based product, so putting it down is very easy. The tools you'll need to apply the 501 Elasto-Brite are a mixing stick or electric mixer. If you use an electric mixer, make sure you use low speed so that you don't introduce air into the product. You're also going to need a 4-inch brush if you have to cut around curbs or parapet walls, and a 1/2-inch nap roller. First, we're going to take our mixing stick and mix the product. You want to mix it so it's nice and even. I'm going to pour the canned product directly onto the roof and then take my 1/2-inch nap roller and roll the coating. Now remember, when you're putting on the finish coat, roll it perpendicular to how the base coat was applied. Now that the 501 Elasto-Brite white coating has been applied, this system is complete. The roof is now protected with an acrylic roof coating system that's going to help extend the life of this roof. For more information, visit KARNAKcorp.com.